Hi and welcome to a quick tutorial on FortiWeb as to how to use custom signatures to block targeted attacks. Here are the steps for configuration. The initial 3 steps will cover a basic setup for using custom signatures to block targeted attacks, and these will be demonstrated in the following slides. Steps 4 and 5 outline the general procedures for utilizing signatures. To create a new custom signature, go to the Custom Signature page. Click on Custom Signatures, then select Create New Custom Signature and define the condition rule. First, create a new custom signature group, and then add the newly created custom signature to it. In the relevant signature policy, attach the newly created custom signature group. Then apply the signature policy to the appropriate web protection profile and associate it with a server policy. Thank you for watching on the quick tutorial on how to configure FortiWeb to block targeted attacks.